For me, DIY always meant pulling out dozens of supplies just to do a single project. But not anymore. Introducing the Ink One Tag, the world's first 4-in-1 pocket creative studio. I got it in the color silver, and it's stunning. This pocket-sized color printer gives you 4 ways to tag your life: tattoo stickers, heat transfers, stickers, and high-quality images. Right out of the box, it was super easy to set up. Just remove the top to expose the ink cartridge mount. The cartridges are super small and easy to transport, and they just pop right in. I downloaded the app and it walked me through connecting my printer and getting set up for my first print. I decided to start with the fabric heat transfer paper included in the kit. The paper intake was clearly marked, so I knew exactly where to feed the paper. Then, I just pulled up the app, selected some artwork that I had pre-made, and adjusted it within the app. It gives me tons of control so I can rotate, crop, flip, whatever I need to make sure that my artwork looks just right before I print it. Once I was satisfied, I just hit print and let the ink one go to work. I love seeing my artwork come to life in real time as the ink moved over the paper. In less than a minute, a picture on my phone was now something I could hold in my hand. After giving the text a trim, I decided on the cursive font. Then, following the instructions for the heat transfer paper, I peeled the backing off. The kit included a piece of parchment paper that I laid on top before setting my heat press down on it. After just about 30 seconds, I was left with a beautiful heat transfer and a now custom bandana. And no, I wasn't making it for myself. I made it for my pup named Willow, so she's ready to go with her custom gear on park days. I'll be able to spot her quickly in a crowd, and everyone will know what this sweet pup's name is. She was pretty thrilled about it, and of course she got a treat for being such a good model. I wanted to try a few more heat transfers, and I discovered I can actually track my prints in real time with the app. A neat little feature. The starter kit came with this cute little tote I wanted to decorate with some floral details. So I peeled off the backing on the heat transfer paper, laid my parchment paper over it again, and then used my heat press just like I did before. I was left with these beautiful flowers on the tote, customizing it to make it really feel like me. And if one side of me loves pretty flowers, the other side of me loves boxing frogs. I actually found this adorable picture in the library of free images they have available on their app. They have tons of options there, but I don't know, this little boxing frog was really speaking to me. How could you not love that face? And if I'm gonna print a boxing frog, I might as well print a boxing mouse to match. And I could have left them on the large white background, but I decided to cut around the stickers to make them look a little bit more custom made. I did the same with both until I was left with this cute set. And because Ink One's photo paper comes with a self-adhesive backing, you can use them as stickers to put on anything. I opted to put them on my water bottle so I could see them every day. They definitely bring a smile to my face, and I've already had multiple people ask me where I got them. And that's not everything this little printer can do. Going through some memories on my phone, I chose a photo that meant a lot to me. Then I used that same self-adhesive photo paper to print it out. I could have cut my photo out, but I actually loved that extra white space around it because it reminded me of those vintage instant print cameras. And if you don't want to use the adhesive, you can just leave the backing paper on and stick it straight into a frame like this one. They're small and easy to tuck away into little corners of the house. Or, if you want to print off a few more pictures all at once, the Ink One Tag's mini photos are perfect for scrapbooking. Set your layout exactly how you want it, then peel off the backing paper and stick them right onto your scrapbook. And if you leave that extra white space like I did, it works perfectly for writing down what the memory was and when it happened so you can always remember it. It's a great way to keep memories from getting stuck just on your phone. And if that's not nostalgic enough, the Ink One Tag also has the ability to print instant tattoos. I can't remember the last time I did one of these. I was probably in middle school, so it was really cool to have the opportunity to do it again. With the World Cup starting, I couldn't think of a better tattoo to print than the World Cup trophy and our home team's flag. They were super easy to apply with just a bit of warm water, and they were a fun, nostalgic way to support our home team for the World Cup. The Tricolor CMY cartridge uses an eco-friendly, toy-grade water-based formula that's gentle on skin, so you can feel good about putting it on yourself or your family. I was blown away by the Ink One Tag. This pocket-sized color printer is so small it can fit into any bag or backpack, allowing you to create anywhere, anytime. And because you can print on so many different surfaces, the possibilities are endless for what you can print for yourself or for your friends. You can get it now with the super early bird price of $199 for the mega pack, or $169 for the basic pack. It comes with everything you need to get started, and with a cartridge lifespan of up to 60 sheets per cartridge, you'll run out of ideas way before you run out of ink. So forget about using dozens of crafting supplies for a single project. The Ink One Tag 4-in-1 Pocket Creative Studio is all you need.